In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall OneDrive in Windows 10. Whether you've been experiencing issues with OneDrive or you just need a fresh start, reinstalling the app can often solve the problems you're facing. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to uninstall OneDrive from your computer. This is a straightforward process. Start by opening the settings on your Windows 10 device. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon, which represents the settings. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to Apps. This section shows all the applications currently installed on your computer. Look for Microsoft OneDrive in this list. You might need to scroll a bit to find it, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. Once you find OneDrive, click on it and you'll see an option to uninstall. Click Uninstall and follow any additional prompts to complete the removal process. This will remove OneDrive from your device entirely, allowing us to start fresh with a new installation. With OneDrive uninstalled, it's time to proceed with reinstalling it. You have a couple of options here. The first and probably the simplest way is to use the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app, which you can find on your taskbar or by searching in the Start menu. In the search bar located in the upper right corner of the Microsoft Store window, type OneDrive. Once you find OneDrive, click on it to view more details. Then simply hit the Install button. The Microsoft Store will handle the download and installation process for you, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use the Microsoft Store or encounter any issues with it, you can download OneDrive directly from the Microsoft website. To do this, open your web browser and search for Download OneDrive Windows 10. Make sure you're selecting the official Microsoft website to avoid any unofficial versions of the software. Once you are on the official website, follow the instructions to download the installer. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up OneDrive on your system. This method ensures you get the latest version available directly from Microsoft. Once the installation process is finished, launch OneDrive to ensure it's functioning correctly. You might need to sign in with your Microsoft account to sync your files and settings. Now your OneDrive is freshly installed and ready to use, and that's it. You've successfully reinstalled OneDrive on your Windows 10 device. If you found this process straightforward, feel free to share this video with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more tech tutorials just like this one.